We are out at the IBEX Research Farm right now, Tanglewood Berry Farm. We're going to open up on Monday for a U-pick for raspberries. And just wanted to inform you guys a little bit about what we do out here and maybe some things that we do differently with our growing versus other people. This is Richard Barnes. He invented our IBEX Trellis system. This is the AV system for growing raspberries. Richard, can you kind of talk a little bit about the covering that you have there?
Sure. What we've done here is we've taken a shade cloth material and we've adapted it to our AV trellis system. And this has multi functions. It serves as a bird barrier, which can be, birds can be a real nemesis at times, and also it keeps the berry shaded slightly, so you have a higher quality berry, but you also keep them from sun scalding, developing the white spots as you'll often see on raspberries. And it's even good for the larger insects.
All right, awesome, thanks a lot.